How to create invitation card on Canva app in less than 1 minute and easy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create invitation card fast and easy with Canva app. So all what you have to do is go to Canva like this, and this is the home page as you can see. Now you should go here down below and click on this plus icon and search for the invitation. If you didn't find it right here, just search for it right here as you can see, invitation, and here you go. Now click on it like this and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many templates for the invitation, for example weddings or birthdays, and you can change them easy just from here. For example Jacob and Maria, for example. It's very easy and professional design as you can see, and you can download it after you finish from here. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.